Are you making these common English mistakes? Many English learners use certain expressions wrong without even realizing it. Promise, in this video, I will show you 20 everyday English expressions that are often said incorrectly and how to fix them. From I agree to discuss about, let's correct these mistakes. Common grammar mistakes. I'm agree. I agree. Agree is a verb, not an adjective. He is married with Anna. He is married to Anna. John is married with Anna. John is married to Anna. People is. People are. People is very friendly here. People are very friendly here. People is plural. She told to me. She told me. She told to me the secrets. She told me the secrets. Tell doesn't need to before the object. He doesn't listen. He doesn't listen. He doesn't listen to the music. He doesn't listen to music. After doesn't, always use the base verb. Common preposition mistakes. Can you explain me? Can you explain it to me? Can you explain me the problem? Can you explain the problem to me? Depends of. Depends on. It depends of the weather. It depends on the weather. Discuss about. Discuss. We need to discuss about the project. We need to discuss the project. Discuss already includes the idea of about, so it's not needed. I look forward to meet you. I look forward to meeting you. I look forward to meet you soon. I look forward to meeting you soon. Look forward to is followed by a gerund, ing form. Good in. Good at. I'm good in English. I'm good at English. Common word choice mistakes. I have 30 years. I am 30 years old. I have 30 years old. I am 30 years old now. Let's meet together. Let's meet. Let's meet together at 5 p.m. Let's meet at 5 p.m. Meet already means together, so together is unnecessary. I feel myself happy. I feel happy. I feel myself happy today. I feel happy today. He explained me the rules. He explained the rules to me. He explained me the lesson. He explained the lesson to me. Common verb mistakes. He said me that. He told me that. He said me that he was busy. He told me that he was busy. Say doesn't take an indirect object. Use tell instead. I did a mistake. I made a mistake. I did a mistake in my test. I made a mistake in my test. She suggested me to go. She suggested that I go. She suggested me to go to the doctor. She suggested that I go to the doctor. Common expression mistakes. Open the light. Turn on the light. Please open the light. Please turn on the light. Close the TV. Turn off the TV. Close the TV, it's too loud. Turn off the TV, it's too loud. I didn't know about that. I didn't know that. I didn't know about that she was coming. I didn't know that she was coming. Now you know 20 common mistakes English learners make and how to fix them. Which mistake was new for you? Comment below. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more English tips.